Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm showing you how to make delicious garlic butter mushrooms with herbs. It's an easy recipe that packs a ton of flavor. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start here, I have 1 pound of mushrooms. We're gonna go ahead and prep the mushrooms. Clean the mushrooms with a moist paper towel, removing any dirt or debris. Slice larger mushrooms if desired, or leave whole for smaller ones. Once all the mushrooms are clean, we're gonna head over to the stove. Next, in a skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat, melt the butter with the avocado oil. Stir the butter while it melts. This prevents the butter from burning or browning too quickly by evenly distributing the heat and ensuring a consistent melting process. Once the butter is foamy, add the mushrooms to the pan. Saute for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to brown. It's been 5 minutes of cooking. Now we're gonna go ahead and add flavors. We're gonna add fresh thyme leaves into the skillet along with minced garlic. Stir and continue sauteing for another 2 to 3 minutes until the garlic becomes fragrant. The next thing we are going to do is to deglaze with chicken broth. Pour in the chicken broth to deglaze the pan, scraping up and brown bits from the bottom. Next, we're gonna season with salt and black pepper to taste. Allow the broth to reduce, stirring occasionally until it's mostly absorbed or evaporated. The mushrooms are done. Now we're gonna turn off the heat. Next, once the liquid has reduced, the mushroom should be cooked through and coated with the flavorful mixture. Sprinkle with parsley and mix well. The mushrooms are done. Now transfer the sauteed mushroom to a serving dish and enjoy as a side dish over rice, pasta, or as a topping for grilled meats or toast. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.